Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Zelle and Wells Fargo. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open the Wells Fargo app on your mobile device. Enter your username and password to log in. If you're a new user, tap on Enroll in Zelle. Follow the prompts to provide the necessary information. You will need to verify your identity, either through a text message or phone call. Once verified, you'll be prompted to link your bank account. Select the account you wish to use for Zelle transactions. Read the terms and conditions carefully and agree to them. Next, add your preferred email address or mobile number for receiving payments. Confirm your details and tap on Get Started. Now, you can send or receive money using Zelle. To send money, select Send Money with Zelle. Choose the recipient from your contacts or enter their email or phone number. Enter the amount you wish to send. You can add an optional message to explain the payment. Review your transaction details before confirming. Tap on Send to complete the transaction. To receive money, make sure your email or phone number is shared with the sender. Once they send the payment, it will appear in your account almost instantly. That's how to authenticate and use Zelle in Wells Fargo. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.